Black Pearl 88. So this is the wider version compared to the Black Pearl 82 that we were on as well. 88 skis a little bit longer turn is its sort of comfort zone, but more like a medium to long turn, but definitely very able to do a short turn as well. It's very stable, very grippy onto an edge. Compared to the 82, it's probably a little bit more kind of predictable, a little bit less sort of lively almost. So if you're a bit more of a cruiser, perhaps it's a better ski to go for. But yeah, very good ski for, you know, piste skiing and the dabble off the side of the slopes into the off-piste. But definitely a good, very solid performance ski, especially at high speeds.